Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And yeah, just got finished doing that last video, and I'm going to try my first pick on this Dom here. Got this from Noctis Modus not too long ago, and yeah, hopefully I can get into it. It'll be my second Dimple lock that I've ever picked. Didn't come with a key, but we'll just have to keep that in mind when gutting it. And yeah, I'm going to use windshield wiper tensioner and this homemade flag here. Probably not the best tensioner to use. I actually don't have any Dimple lock tensioners. That's oversetting easily. Probably not the best pick either, but I don't run into many Dimple locks, so I haven't really justified buying a pick set, even though they're pretty cheap. Yeah, I'm pretty cheap too. Not sure. Okay, a little false set. A little bit more false set. I think I'm going to switch picks because that little one feels weird. Now just look for counter rotation. Some here just to get under it. Okay, it felt like an overset, but maybe not. Oh, we're open. Wow. Whew. That was quick. I actually expected a bit more from that, but maybe my Dimple picks are alright. Can't complain with that at all on a Dom. Now I just got to be careful that my camera doesn't turn off. Actually, I'm gonna fix that right after this. The little I don't know what to call them. Little clamp that clamps down on your camera in those crappy stands. Those crappy selfie stick pieces there. Clamps right on my power button, so when I move my camera, a lot of times it'll turn it off. Come on, you devil. Okay, now don't lock it up. Should have probably grabbed the pinning tray first, but there we go. Hang on, I'm gonna adjust this. Perfect. Alright, don't expect much on the key pins. Standard. That's a brass. Standard. I wonder if these are steel or not. Yeah. That one has a steel insert. It's kind of funny how they do that. Instead of just making the whole pin steel, they hollow it out or drill a hole in it and put an insert in it. Piece of crap camera. Yeah, you get the idea. Spend more time messing with the camera than anything else. Alright, what do we got up here? There's a steel. Oh, that's a T-pin. That's why that kept dropping down. Or was it number 1? Whoopsie doodle. That's a spool. Expect another spool right after this. Yep, and not sure. Maybe another spool. Nope. Last one is a standard. Not a bad lock. I think I kind of got lucky on the quick opening there. Yeah, so check out number 2. It's pretty cool. Those can be almost like a tapered, but more of a distinct set. And this one is our anti-drill pin here. You can kind of see the top of it. Yeah. Drilled out for a hardened insert there. Alright, so all in all, pretty cool lock. Wouldn't mind having a key for it, but just to make a key for it, but either way, it's still going to go back out in the community. Someone will have fun with this. Nice Dom. Yeah, quick video for you guys, and always I appreciate everyone's sticking with me, and appreciate all the comments, everyone. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Thanks.